Sanjeev has joined us.
Sanjeev, welcome, Sanjeev. We had told
Yes.
Sanjeev
Rohit,
that
my apologies because I had to attend one prayer meeting.
prayer meeting. Yeah, you had
Yeah.
told.
Just with
prayer.
that, I joined it.
No problem. I had immediately SMS you. That, As it is, we have not started, Sanjeev.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Good evening, friends. Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
In my capacity as the president of Wise Men Club of Mumbai, I am calling the meeting to order. Friends, there is a tradition that the secretary has to place the collar, that is president's collar, on the president. But since we are on virtual app, I have done a self-placement of the presidential collar. But at the same time, as the collar has been placed by myself, I may be deemed to have virtually accepted the placement of collar by our newly installed secretary, Wiseman Sharad Kanga. Thank you very much.
All the very best.
Having completed these thank you very much. Having completed these two formalities at the inception, I would request our host, Joint Secretary Wiseman Alvito Fernandez, to share the screen so that we proceed with the proceedings of this evening. Alvito, please.
Yeah. Yeah. So we will go to the prayer. We'll start with the prayer and then the pledge. And so if you can all see the screen. Can you all see the screen for the prayer?
Yes.
Yeah. So we can say it together.
Yeah, we'll say it together.
Okay.
Lord,
bless all wise men.
bless all
wise men and wise links
gathered here. Our fellowship with thee held dear.
grant
Grant that our meeting might be blessed with thee. Our ever unseen guest. Bless wise minutes and wise links clubs throughout the year. Grant each of them a new rebirth to save each other, give them life, to save the world from further strife. Amen.
Amen.
We'll go to the pledge next.
Yes.
I think in the earlier this thing, one had said and the others repeated. So should we do it that way?
Okay, yeah. So Jason, if you can lead us.
Yes, sir, you lead.
Great and dear motherland.
Great and dear motherland.
Dear motherland,
We salute you.
We salute you.
We pledge our loyalty
We pledge our loyalty
our royalty,
and promise our best efforts
and promise our best efforts
our best effort
to bring you honor and glory.
to bring you honor and glory.
We acknowledge our duty to you
We acknowledge our duty to you.
and pray that we be
Pray that we be
worthy citizens of the nation.
worthy citizens of the nation.
citizens of the nation.
Worthy citizens of the nation.
Jai Hind.
Jai.
Jai Hind.
Okay. So, yeah, Rui, the next on the agenda is your address. So I'll stop the share screen and we'll go back to.
My wise men colleagues of our very vibrant club, Wise Men Club of Mumbai. At the very outset, I must thank each and every one of you for selecting the new committee which was recently installed. This is our first general body meeting pursuant to the installation of our committee and the first anniversary celebration of the Charter Club, which took off in the year 2019. To this first General Assembly meeting, I welcome each and every one of you and those who would be joining shortly and during the course of this meeting. Friends, it was indeed a proud privilege for our club to have had amidst us none other than the international president, wise man Jacob Christensen, as the chief guest at our installation ceremony, first anniversary of Charter Club come installation ceremony. Similarly, we were equally privileged to have our midst the International Secretary General, Mr. Jose Verghese, who too took part in our celebrations and the installation ceremony. I also have to acknowledge the gracious presence of India Area President, wise man, and my advocate colleague Shanawaz Khan, who graced our function, along with past Area President Dr. K.C. Samuel, a legend in the wisdom movement in India. And the list, the last but not the least, our beloved and respected district governor, wise man Benny Augustine, who conducted the installation ceremony. I must, on behalf of the club, place on record our gratitude to all the members who have worked towards the success of this widely and well received installation ceremony. And in particular, the lion's share of credit goes to our enterprising and dynamic tech-savvy trio of Vinny, Alvito, and Leo, who hosted PST at Central Y, from where we addressed the meeting. Those of you who attended it on the virtual platform or on Facebook or later on have witnessed it on the YouTube would agree with me that it was indeed grand in every sense of the word grand. Members who are present here would also agree with me that we have witnessed other installation ceremonies, which of course were well conducted, but ours, I must say with justifiable pride, was a car above the rest. It has had not only a glam quotient with the presence of wisdom movement VVIPs, international, Indian, district, and but also a large participation, not only through Zoom, but also through Facebook, which count later Vinny and Alvito shared it on the group WhatsApp. Friends, as all of you know, that basically our club is a service club to YMCA, and both have a symbiotic relationship. However, there is a word of caution here, in the sense that at the end of the day, our club culture to an extent differs from YMCA in that we have fellowship dinners, we have a constant interaction not only between the members but also between the spouses, which club is known as Manets, and towards which we have to work assiduously during the course of this year, as well as the children of wise men and Manets get involved through a movement called Links and Youth. Therefore, in that context, the interaction is much larger with the involvement of families at all levels. I was told by my counterpart, the president of Bangalore Downtown Wise Men Club, that once in a month, the Manets meet at any restaurant, hotel, club in Bangalore. They have a very close interaction with each other, and the members contribute to the host, and they have a totally different type of system which they have evolved in ensuring that interaction happens on monthly basis. At this stage, I must also tell my colleagues that being in Wise Men movement, I recollect what our district governor, Benny Augustine, wrote in his article, "The world is in need of Wise Men International," which also I quoted during my presidential address at the ceremony. And what he says is, let us celebrate life in celebrating wisdom. Basically, we have to look at our club from the viewpoint of celebration. And it is not only partaking of celebration in spreading the community projects by getting into an outreach which helps the disadvantaged sections of the society at whichever level they are. But at the same time, we have to celebrate by being together through fellowship and otherwise. And therefore, I would request our members to also look at this movement as a club and to loosen up a bit so that they carry the traditions of the club in a manner in which it is supposed to be carried forward. Friends, I must also share with a great element of pride that during the course of the installation ceremony, before it ended, in fact, in the midst of the installation ceremony, I received a call from the respected district governor, Wiseman Benny Augustine, our installation officer, that they selected us to co-host the South Indian regional meeting, which will be held towards the end of this month. The district at Bangalore, which is our response, of which we are a part of, we are affiliated to that district since we don't have our own district, was quite impressed with the manner in which our ceremony was being conducted, the thoughts shared by us, the projects put across on the screen, which all they appreciated, and instantly they took a decision that despite our club being only 1 year old, and in that sense, nascent club, they requested us to co-host this very big event with another club in Bangalore, for which we will be getting 500 points, and the cost factor is minimal, it being conducted through virtual platform. Fortunately for me, as the president, as you all know, I was flanked on my left by the newly installed secretary, Wiseman Sharad Kanga, and on my right by our treasurer. And so on the spot, I could take a decision, and I immediately consented to co-sponsoring this event along with another club in Bangalore. It's a proud moment for us because just when we were completing 1 year, this request came and we duly honored it. And this event will take place on 29th of this month between 10 to 12. I would request all present. Can you hear me now? Can you hear?
Yeah, you're a little faint, but
Can
it's
you
okay.
hear
Yeah,
now?
we can hear.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you hear? Yeah. It will be held on 29th of this month. And for the information of the House, I must say that around 7 p.m., our district governor will join our meeting and brief us about this event. Friends, I must also make a special mention that this year we must go all out to form our own district. As of now, as you know, we are affiliated with Bangalore District 2, and it is the desire of the district governor, Penny Augustine, having seen the profile of our cabinet committee members and other members, that
Yeah, it's good, Rohi. We can see you.
you can, okay.
Yeah.
That we need to make an all-out effort to form this district, which basically implies the setting up of 5 new clubs, minimum 5 members, and for a club to have a good standing and more votes, like 2 votes, it is 15 members, which our district governor will explain to us at 7 p.m. That said, I would also, it is my endeavor that new projects come up front, because we have to do something different and we have to come up with projects which indeed help those who require that help the most. Some of the members would be making suggestions on the new projects. I'm very happy to say so. At this stage, I would not share it because at the appropriate time, we will have it shared. Having said so, I would also request all to help us, to help each other in bringing our spouses also together, children also, so that we can expand this activity at a family level. And lastly, there is a provision to have partner clubs and brother clubs. It is my view that though this club is a service club by which families interact, all of us also should grow professionally. That is why I made it a point to introduce the committee, each and every member, including the background of our committee members, so that through this information, if anybody else in the wisdom wants to connect to them, they can do so. Similarly, since we are in the financial capital of the country, we also must look at partnering some clubs by which there is a professional interaction and the members benefit professionally in terms of occupational interaction or whichever field he or she is. This is also my endeavor, and at some stage we'll be requesting International Secretary General, Mr. Jose Varghese, to join us in one of our virtual platform meetings, and he will also brief because he also has a plan for us. Our members also have a plan as to how to partner whom, but the basic desire from my side as the president of the club is 1, individual interaction, 2, family interaction, and 3, professional interaction, and ultimately community projects which will be taking up. That, of course, all of us have that motive in our mind. That is how we have joined this movement, to do something good beyond ourselves and beyond our families. Everybody has that altruistic trait in him to help society at large. We have taken up various projects thanks to our dynamism and enterprise of all our members. And we have to look at wise year 2021 in a very optimistic, positive manner, despite all the pandemic challenges which we are faced with, and accordingly go ahead. On this happy note, I end this presidential address, and I request our Joint Secretary Alvito to take the proceedings ahead in the evening. Friends, before he does so, I must also indicate, which I missed out, that can you hear me? I must also indicate that since we are basically sharing a symbiotic and synergistic relationship with YMCA, I requested our Bombay YMCA General Secretary, Mr. Paul George, to put it to his secretaries at various branches to help us in expanding our club activity through the formation of new clubs. And Mr. Paul George has graciously accepted this request. He will be putting it at the next staff meeting. And it was his suggestion that along with YMCA members, we should involve non-YMCA members also, such that there is a fair mix of all the sections in our club. Towards that end, I would request the 3 secretaries present here. These are all senior secretaries. Leo, of course, has been playing a very pivotal role. Next to him is, in seniority, Alan Kotian, with whom also I have discussed at length about this, and he will also be able definitely to help us. And Ashish Thorat is also here. So let us all, with one single minded purpose and mission, help in the growth of our club, so that we have a district, an independent district, whereby we can devote more time and more quality to our projects and whatever else we have in mind, for which the members' cooperation and their views are required. And finally, I must also tell, since I have again asked permission of the House to add to this, that my endeavor as the president would be transparency and propriety and an element of democratic functioning. Though the president has a veto, I would not, as far as possible, like to exercise it. There would be no imposition of president's rule, but it has to be democratic functioning, so that there is a healthy exchange of views, a healthy debate, and finally, we take a majority decision. That is my humble request to you all, because the goal is same. We are all aligned to that goal. Thank you very much.
Okay. So, President, our next on the agenda is our open discussion about club activities.
Yeah.
To basically discuss our projects and see how we can take them forward. So you can initiate that discussion. So I think Benny can share the project.
Yeah, Benny, I've already given the background for club activities. So,
Yeah.
And this was also shared during the installation ceremony. Benny can take it. Yeah, Benny
Yes.
can take it away.
Yeah. You also requested me to share what Sanjeev shared with you
that's
yesterday.
what I said in my presidential welcome address. I've said
Yeah.
other members have also made suggestions.
Yeah. So
One of them, it's an excellent project called Ashiana.
Yes. So
Which
Benny,
usually
yeah.
targets the tribal tribals.
So we will have Sanjeev talk about that. So Benny can
Yes,
talk
yes.
about the first project that we want to
Yes.
get started off the ground, and then I'll share my screen and Sanjeev can talk to us about that
Yes.
project which he shared
Yes.
with us yesterday. Yeah.
Once,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, Benny, you.
Yes. So, when we were finalizing the budget, for this current year, we have discussed about the iCare project, what we had discussed, and operations around 24 numbers, and the specs for needy, especially from rural and tribal areas. It was around 120, and was planned to conduct around 4 ICAMs. So to start with, I already, we discussed with the doctor. So currently, still lockdown is, in enforced still. So, for operation, it will be still early for that, and we'll have to wait for some more, maybe another 2-3 weeks. Then we may be able to get some numbers from the social workers, which with whom we engage. And what they were telling, maybe mid of September, we should be able to, get the needy, tribals, who would need a surgery for the eye operations. That is the update what I have now. Apart from that, we had discussed about the awareness and the other, hygiene and cleanliness campaign for some tribal school. So we have to identify. So groundwork has to be done now. So how to go about, who all has to, which area to be looked into. And these are the areas which we have to discuss and finalize. Yeah.
Yes. So, doctor, any suggestions, Dr. Ellis?
No, September will be too early to conduct the operation. We can start the spade works. We can identify the location. In the absence of any concrete cure coming out of COVID, a surgery and all, if it infects, it should not boomerang on us. So we need to take a cautious step on fixing the period of conducting the surgery. We can take the expert opinion of the medical doctors, and accordingly we can decide.
Agree.
Yes.
We obviously can't put a timeline to it right now, can we, Benny?
No, at this juncture, we should not be putting any timeline. It will be very premature. So that's the, doctor said the same thing. Let's wait till mid of September. Then we can, revisit, how the COVID impact, and, whether the villagers are willing to come to the, town side and all. So until and unless, that clarity doesn't happen, we'll have to wait. So once, things settle down a little bit, we can have more the numbers and reach the target what we had set during the, wisdom year.
Yes.
Okay. Can we discuss the budgets then? Rui, do you think we can discuss the budgets and set a target so that we are ready with the funding when it comes to that point?
Yes, but before that, I would want the projects to be shared. Since Sanjeev also has a project.
Yeah.
Yes.
So should I go to that?
We have clarity on the projects where, and then
okay. So I will
also
share.
Told me that today I had a talk with Bhaskar for another urgent some issue which has cropped up.
Yeah.
But before that, Sanjeev's project, it looks to be very interesting and appealing.
Yeah. So this is the one. Can you see the screen?
Could you just
Yeah, I'll elaborate. See, basically,
Sanjeev can elaborate.
Yeah, basically, friends, this project has been named as Ashiana. Rotary has taken up this project under Pradhan Mantri Niwas Yojana to provide the housing to communities. Particularly, this has been identified at District Palghar in Wada. And their Adivasi, by and large, communities, they are there. And they are staying in kacha houses. So about 500 such families are going to be the beneficiaries. They have been identified. In fact, all the proposals are at place, and the total outgo per house is close to 2 lakhs of rupees, out of which 70,000 rupees any particular club, individual or a corporate is supposed to be making the payment, and balance 1,30,000 will be provided under Pradhan Mantri Niwas Yojana, and the house costing about 2 to 2.25 lakhs of rupees shall be built. So out of 500, about 100 to 150 such houses have already been booked by various Rotary clubs and few of the corporates. So I sent this particular write-up to Wiseman Rui, and possibly we can deliberate upon this, and we can as well make a visit when house is being built, or for further nitty-gritties, since Rotarians are involved, and it will be under the care of Rotary, and Wiseman in association of Rotary can have minimum one or whatever number of houses. If we can build a corpus, we can accord, and it's going to be I believe we have to break the cost 70,000. Maybe it could be shared by all the members either equally or whichever way that the board decides. The contributions can happen, and we shall have a pleasure of giving house, a permanent house, to our own community. So this is in nutshell, and the way things will come to me, I'll be sharing them with Rui, and then we can take it further from there. Rui, anything else?
Yes. Doctor, you want to ask something?
This is a good suggestion.
Yeah, doctor wants.
A very good suggestion. Only thing should be associated with the Rotary, or we can independently have it. That is why we should linger on somebody. Whether our Wiseman Club of Mumbai can directly handle it. One house they can say, let us say, 70,000, whether we can pay. Or necessarily we need to go through the Rotary establishment. I just want to understand that aspect.
No, Rotary, doctor, has taken up to build 500 houses at that particular location, which already has got approval at place. So I believe Niwas Yojana means, it will have at least a bunch of almost about 100, 200 or up to 500 houses. So Rotary has taken up this particular initiative to build 500 houses. Now, if we have such kind of a proposal, if we can find out the beneficiaries, it requires a lot of then groundwork, and it need not be only 1 or 200 houses. So this is the initiation. Then if we ourselves want to have such kind of a project, then we have to get to the roots, find out the community, the beneficiaries, complete the necessary land work, permission work, and then we can have our own project. Till such time, this could be a starting point, doctor, so that we learn out of all this project, and we can take it further, in fact, to the next level.
Understood. When they are likely to start this project implementation?
It is already underway since last about 2 to 3 months, and the monsoon, once it is over, by that time formalities are getting completed, and I believe maybe during September they are planning to formally start with the construction, that is post monsoon, doctor.
Good. This proposal is worth considering. It will be a signature project contribution for our club.
Yes, that is what I look at it, because it is something which is going to be of a permanent nature. And it could be impactful that we have provided the housing for the community actually.
Plus we are also aligning with the national leader interest.
Yes,
that's right.
That's good. It's worth considering this proposal.
Yeah, thank you.
And doctor, what Sanjeev has he has given an idea, like one house, if we are trying to support it, means there's a ratio. PM's fund and our contribution. Our contribution is what will make that house complete. It is in the vicinity of 70,000, correct, Sanjeev?
Yes, you are right.
Yes, yes. It is 70,000. So that means one house, permanent house for the tribal people who are residing there, and that will be like wise men's.
Yes.
Yeah, permanent in the name of wise men. That credit will go to us always. Correct, Sanjeev?
Yes, you are right.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Understood.
Yeah, it's a good idea. You know, like we do some projects with YMCA, we do some projects with
That's
Rotary,
right.
and we do some projects proprietary. You know, like the medical project will be proprietary to ourselves. Then we'll have one Rotary project, we'll have a YMCA project. So
That's right.
it is good. It is a good, you know, brand awareness really, if we call it from a.
And last year, Leo and Sanjeev, you also know about it, and Doctor also. Dr. LS was the first to support it. We had this very well-known, innovative water wheel project.
Yes.
It is also inner wheel. That is also part of Rotary. And my daughter's school had taken up that project along with them, with inner wheel. And we supported that project. And it was really liked by all, including the district, Bangalore district also. They found it something different from the routine projects. Similarly, this project also, what Sanjeev has brought on board, also seems to be a project with a long-term viewpoint. So there will be always that wise man stamp on that, one house, that it will remain forever. What do you say, Bini?
Absolutely, President.
Yeah, Leo. And what about P? I can't hear. Our birthday boy.
He has muted himself.
Huh?
Sorry. Yeah. Okay.
Foster is not
Birthday
at the
boy has
meeting.
to talk
Foster
loudly.
spoke to me earlier.
Basically, I think this is a fantastic, because this is a permanent structure project.
That's what. Yeah, that is what impressed us a lot.
But what I'm not happy about this is the president only saying one house. While you're committing so many clubs, I think our goal should be 5, but at least we do 1. That's the way we should think.
No, we are, of course, we have started with bare minimum.
Yeah. So the
bare
thing is,
minimum. If our clubs are 5, obviously, we have 5. Yeah.
No. But what I'm trying to say is, see, we should never hesitate to assist the other organization, because Rotary Club has actually helped a whole lot of Bombay projects today. You know, all the COVID donations, food packets, all supported by Rotary.
That's right.
Right.
Okay. So
even for that matter, Jason, you know that YMC also we receive many donations from them.
Yeah, of course. That our opposite the YMCA, the Methodist Center, that is co-hosted by Rotary Club of Bombay.
And that's what, yes.
Yeah, so there's that time. So we have no hesitation because Rotary will be.
No, I am all for it. I have started with minimum. Doctor wanted to know the cost.
No, we will commit. We will commit.
Then we can go beyond, of course. Since we are going to have 5 plus 1, our club. Accordingly, we will expand, keeping in mind this project.
Yeah, Rotary. Yeah, Rotary now knows YMCA now, so they can also know wise men.
So,
you know.
Exactly. There are 2 takeaways in this. One is that the branding for this our club.
Yeah.
That is the one takeaway, and the most important thing is providing a permanent house
permanent structure
tribal area, because because I know I have been in this Wada, Jawahar and all these talukas and all, so I know how these people they stay there. These are all clusters which over there it is called as Adivasi Padas. Then you have that Padas, Adivasi Padas. So I know all these places. I have visited all these places maybe 20 years back, so I have worked in those areas. So I know how they stay, the reality there. One of our parishes from the Western line, they even during the summertime, because water is big scarcity there, they don't have even proper tube well. Lighting is not there. So once we get into that location, that's again, I should not be using that word. It's also a good catchment area where you can go and serve the people, direct benefits.
Even, in that write-up, Bini, what Sanjeev has sent us, even their bathrooms, it's pathetic. They have just leaves thatched roof, and then it's exposure to snakes.
I will share that.
And rodents and whatnot. They are a continuous risk day-to-day life.
Sanjeev, if I may request you to share that on the main group, so everybody can read the nitty-gritties. I could just share the screen, but I don't think we could read all of it. So you share.
And
I think this, Sanjeev, we all are unanimous about this project. We are also very happy that you brought it on board. Yesterday you discussed it with me. Unfortunately, Leo and Sharad also were around. So, yeah, they also heard it. And it's really good.
Just one question I have to Sanjay.
Yes,
In Bombay, they are doing like that in various parts of the country. Some groups will be doing. How we will get to know that access?
No, we can through Rotary check up what other areas or what other projects, particularly with respect to housing, which has been taken up. But Rotary as such district, which is called as a 3141, which is a district Mumbai in particular, they are always working for the community which is close to Mumbai by and large. Most of the projects will be happening for benefit of the people of Mumbai and outskirts of Mumbai. Maybe taking care of them the education, getting there and then supplying water bills, getting there and then e-learning kits, making up the schools, school infrastructure, etc., etc. So this is the whole project that is going to happen. Whole area will naturally develop over a period of time and will be part of it actually. And other locations, if they are doing it, we can check, find out more information, which I'll be sharing in that case.
I'll be too glad if you can give the link to me.
Dr. Sab, there are a lot of funds available from the central government corpus, especially constructing houses for the tribals and all, where the budget is between 2 to 2.5 lakh rupees depending upon the demographies. So once government looks up to the agencies or the NGOs, who can do this, government puts in their money, and the NGOs, who have the capacity to do that, so they put in their share. So these type of projects are happening pan India. There are various other, most of the states they are it's happening now.
Okay. Yeah, and it's a good, a very good branding exercise.
Yeah, and here I would just like to add, in fact, that only one request that, I believe such kind of a projects in which, by and large, the community is involved and going to be of a permanent nature. In fact, we could contribute whatever minimum or whatever maximum amount that all of our wise men can contribute. So just as what, in fact, Jason has put up, maybe instead of one, we could have 2 or possibly 3 houses. So maybe 70,000 if we are maybe 20-25 us and we are contributing maybe about whatever 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 to the extent that is possible, either on birthdays, anniversaries, or on a particular occasion. So getting to that particular total of 70,000 rupees should not be that difficult. And then it will be, in fact, we'll be happy that individually all of our members have contributed and we have made that particular family happy by providing them this particular housing actually. So let that happiness be shared by all the members and not only by 1 or 2 or 5 of the members. That's what my request is actually.
Actually, this kind of project is fantastic because we should select a house where there's a family. And even if we're going to help just one house and one family, we can help the family, children's education for the future, so many other things, if they want something for the house to enhance their living, this thing, enhancing them, so many things we can do. So it's a very good idea. That's why this one is fantastic. But my goal is, once we start with that, we should not stop because, see, we have to get new members, get more funding, and then because we can do so much. But if we don't start, then we'll never get anywhere. So let's put our foot and start with this. And Rotary is like us, an above board organization. So I was with Roundtable, which is up to 40 years, similar kind of thing. We've also done things like going to Vasai and putting bore wells. One thing I noticed, the day you go there, then all the politicians come in wanting to take credit and things like that. That's the flip side of the whole thing. But nevertheless, we genuinely help the one family, and that's good enough.
Yeah, it's like adopting that family.
Yeah.
Like
So
adopting.
we can take it further.
Yes.
I need another clarification, Sanjeev Shah.
Yes.
Is there any time limit we have to commit?
Yeah, I was just going to ask the same thing. Yeah, I was just going to ask the same thing.
Yeah, I will check up maybe next 1 or 2 days, and I'll communicate to Rui, and maybe we can make some token payment so that our house is booked there.
Yes,
and
we can do that.
they will be giving some time frame within which we will be supposed to be making the payment. I'll find out more information, and then we can definitely look into it further. Actually,
I think there's one out to go ahead without any hesitation.
Yes,
that's a very. So you find out of the formalities, because we know the upper limit is 70,000. It's a question of when you have to pay the whole thing, and when the work starts now, it will take some time, right? So we need not be the first 150th house. We could be the 151st. So there are 500 houses there.
That is right.
So it's an ongoing project. So we'll commit, like Sanjeev said, we'll commit to the project, that one house in the beginning. So we secure that house. Then we will go ahead.
Yes, definitely.
Yes, I think Leo wants to say something. Eagerly awaiting to.
Yeah, he was trying to say something.
Trying to say, oh, you have also observed it.
Now we can't hear you.
He has problem. He has problem with his. No, he has problem with his mic.
Can you get onto your phone, Leo? We can't hear you. We can't hear you.
Hear you, Leo.
Okay.
Leo, you have to unmute.
No, he's unmuted, but he's got this thing.
Yeah, audio. Leo, some problem with your audio.
Microphone not working. That's what he put in the chat.
Oh.
No, he has to be careful because he's got a Bible study, That is
okay, the next on the agenda was club announcements. So you have to take that separately, Rui, or I think we should talk about, Sharad should talk about the membership fees and, what he's put in the group. Maybe you can discuss that now.
There's one other project.
1 minute before Sharad comes to that, you see on the last occasion in our committee meeting, we had discussed about a provision which allows us to appoint club service directors.
Yeah.
Excuse me, Rui, we have to discuss Bhaskar's project also whenever you
No, we are coming to that. So, because since now our main group is here, Sanjeev is also here, and he is one of them in my mind. So that's why I want to announce it. So, club service directors, they will all be given, 4 of them I have in mind. I have discussed it before also in our meeting, last meeting, first committee meeting. Now, 4 of them, the assignment, what all they have to do, each of them will be allotted later on. There may be little overlapping here and there, but broadly, it is for the expansion of the club and the projects which we take, the enrollment and the projects, and how to take it further, keeping in mind the goals, objects of the club, in tune with Wisdom Movement and finally YMI International. So, 4 club service directors.
Rui, can you just give me a second? If all, see, we are using this, we are recording the meeting, and this is all going to go onto our YouTube channel for perpetuity. So if all of you can come on with your videos rather than just your names.
Okay.
It's more personal, because this is we're also minuting digitally. So please come on with your videos. All of you that are not on video. Sorry, Rui. I wanted to tell that.
No problem. Yeah, Leo has come online.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay.
Leo, just give me a minute. I'm just announcing club service directors. After which we'll go ahead. Yes, TS, Ashish and Alan.
Yeah, TS has come on.
Yes. TS was there in installation ceremony also. His speak is there everywhere.
TS was there in the beginning also. Why he runs away, I don't know. He's handsome, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Ruiz, sorry.
Yeah,
Listen,
yeah,
we
yeah.
expected you to run away in between.
Yes, Ashish. Yes, Ellen, you are around, with or without mask. Yes. Anyway, yeah. Ashish is somewhere outside or
Outside the YMCA.
outside by Andheri.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, yeah. 4 club service directors. Number 1, Sanjeev Shah, who is present here amidst us. Number 2, Foster
Shouldn't we
Lewis.
clap? Shouldn't we clap?
Yeah, yeah,
Of course, we have to clap. I am re-announcing. First, Sanjeev Shah. Next, yes, thank you. Next, it is Foster Lewis.
Foster spoke to me in the afternoon. He was supposed to come. I don't understand why he's not yet not come. Yeah.
Shall I call him and find out?
Yeah, please, because he has to talk about one thing which he spoke to me about, which I will bring up in a minute. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Yeah. Next is Harish Bhai Doshi. And last but not the least, Bobby Kundar. Incidentally, Bobby Kundar was one of the vice presidents when I was the president of Bombay YMCA. All these 4 CSDs now officially they stand announced. They have all accepted. First, I'm contacted Sanjeev even before the installation ceremony. Others also have accepted. So this will be officially minuted. At the next office bearers meeting, cabinet meeting, I would request Sharad and Alvito to ensure that all of them are present and also to add them to the President's core team WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Now we can proceed. You wanted to add something?
Yeah. Leo's muted on a call.
Okay.
Sharad, you have to unmute.
Yeah, regarding Bhaskar's project, Bhaskar is the secretary of our YMCA at Agripada.
Yeah.
So he went this week to distribute some sanitizers in this Kamatipura red light area, which were given by a corporate. So while he was distributing, they requested for food provisions for 250 people. That's rations basically, 700 rupees per person and their family dependents. 700 rupees will provide rations for 12 to 15 days. So that comes to about 1,75,000 for 250 people. So whatever the members feel, but there is a genuine need in this area, Bhaskar has said, and I am also aware independently that they are literally starving in Kamatipura area. And I'm aware of this area of need, and these people, these women, many of them have been forced into what they're doing. It's not that they're voluntarily doing, but they've been kidnapped or sold as small children. So there is a definite need, and they're literally going without food. Yes, that's it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, Leo, I wanted your view on this.
I met with Bhaskar for a very, very short time today evening. Yeah. Actually, I was at Bombay Central to meet Paul and met with Bhaskar. So I just sounded to him. So asked him to find out more details about this need because Sharad had already shared earlier. So he said he will come back. He said the need is there. But I asked him to check whether there are other organizations which are helping out. It should not be duplication. So he said he will check and come back. Yeah, but if we want to do it, then we'll have to see how we can raise the resources.
That's what I.
It is
that's
there.
Why I wanted Sharad to have a word with Leo, since basically this is a YMCA project and we'll be aligning with it. To what extent and how, that we'll have to work out the modalities.
Yeah, the need is there. if we are deciding to go ahead, also with that, meantime, Bhaskar gets time to counter check whether other organizations are supporting. Because Kamatipura is an area where a lot of organizations get involved. You know,
get involved,
so if nobody is helping out, then we should see if there's some way we can help them mitigate the problem.
Yeah.
There are more than 200 families, he said, around 200 families.
Yeah, okay. So in a similar vein, I mean, Foster is joining shortly, but he called me earlier in the day.
Yes.
But mainly because this is a YMCA thing, but mainly he called me from an individual perspective because I'm on the Ghatkopar committee, which he chairs. Okay. Now apparently there are eight of the Ghatkopar staff that have not been paid since the month of May, because we know that YMCA is not able to pay some of their staff. So there are these 8 particular people that the Ghatkopar committee decided to support for the next 3 months. And that amount comes to about 30,000 rupees per month. So 3 months is 90,000. So they've already raised 30,000 for 1 month. He appealed to me individually because I'm part of the committee. So I told him, I mean, I'm most happy to contribute, but you can also bring it up with the wise men, since we are meeting in the evening. So he's going to come in and talk about it. But yeah, we can probably just contribute 5,000 or 10,000 or something. You know, it will take care of 3 or 4 people. So they're not giving cash; they are giving food packets, like the same in a similar manner to the staff. Okay, so the staff that are working in the YMCA.
But Alvito, they can't be YMCA staff. They must be on contract or
what? I'm not aware. I'm not aware. So you need let Foster come on. Let Foster come on and talk about that.
Yeah. Because YMCA staff are all paid 50%. Every single.
I'm not sure. Leo will know it.
These people, I know. They are honorary staff who are Balwadi teachers. Now they have there's no salary paid to them for the last couple of months.
Okay.
So Foster and team were trying to help
Foster's here. Foster just came on. Foster, can you come on the video? And we were just talking about what we spoke in the afternoon.
Yes, Foster.
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah, Foster. Hi, before you start, can you be seen? Can he be seen? I can't see him.
Video.
Foster is not keeping too well, he said.
Pardon? Oh, you would not like to be seen? Would not like to?
Yeah, we can hear you, but we can't see you.
See me now?
Yeah.
Now you're looking much better, Foster.
Foster, after talking to us,
joining our meeting makes you feel better.
Thank you, Rui. Thank you.
Celebrating life with wisdom. So don't worry.
Between the two things, he went and had a beer. That's why he's better.
No. Actually, I'm doing.
Foster, this is the birthday boy talking, and he is hinting at you that there is a beer of your namesake also.
Yeah, so I won't take any
Foster
seriously
beer.
what he says. Yeah.
Now, before you start, Foster, we
excused.
all, on behalf of everybody, we congratulate you. So we have already appointed you as one of our club service directors.
Okay, thank you.
And you will be now part of.
What does that mean now? What am I supposed to do?
The president's core team. All of you, please clap. The allocation will be done at the next meeting, the cabinet meeting, in which you will be invited. 4 club service directors. You are one of them. Yeah.
But you'll be giving specific tasks for each person, right, Rohit?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we will.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, you go ahead, Foster.
Yeah, Foster. I just spoke about what we spoke in the afternoon for the Ghatkopar staff. So I said that you will come in and talk. So
Foster, just before you say it, may I just bring something? See, there's a lot of mails going around. If you see, at least one person has been writing to the whole thing. By mistake, the names came in instead of the BCC, all the names. So when they put reply to all, everybody is gone in. And one of the key things was that YMCA staff is not being paid. And Paul George, the General Secretary, replied and said, all YMCA staff, the board has taken a decision, they're getting 50%. Who are not getting paid are the honorary staff and the other people who are on contract, because there is no activity there, there's no payment basically, because Balwadis are not operational. So now with this background, you tell us what is what.
No, actually, Paul George is not involved in at all in this. I mean, it is just out of humanity that a sense of humanity that we have come to the conclusion that these people required to be helped, and we are helping them as a committee of our own accord.
Okay.
So
okay.
I hope that is understood very clearly.
No, I'll tell you why. Because the preamble to this was YMCA is not paying the staff, so we want to pay. That is not correct, I think. The blame is coming to the YMCA. YMCA is not doing something.
No, it's
so
not. Leo, you were saying something?
Yeah, I didn't get that impression.
No, yeah.
No, it is not a blame.
Jason is saying it can get interpreted that way. So we have to be clear that, yeah.
I think this is not the platform to discuss about the salary of YMCA staff. This is not the platform. I think this is not
So I want to make one thing very clear. That is why I never wanted to bring this topic on this platform.
This is not the platform to discuss about the YMCA employees. We are not paying and all. This is not the platform. Okay.
Correct. And
I'm strongly
when Alvito said you can seek help from this platform, I was very clear that this is not the platform and I should not be raising it here. And neither do I want any help from this platform either, because it's a decision only taken unofficially as committee members for us to go out of the way to help these people in as possible, So nobody else is involved but the committee members, and they're all doing it.
That you're doing. Okay, fair enough.
And it has nothing to do with YMCA or the WISE as such.
No,
and we're getting a good response from our committee members, and it is out of our own accord that we are going towards helping these people. So let's make that very clear that neither Paul George or neither YMCA as a principal employee or whatever of them is involved in this.
Okay.
So let there be no confusion about that. So we are not blaming. It's not a blame game. We understand very well the position that we have financially that we are in, and we respect that.
Yeah.
So it is not meant to pressurize somebody or to bring down somebody. No, not absolutely. That's if somebody
it's actually just
Leo, you were saying something. Yeah.
No, it is just a humanitarian effort which Foster and a couple of members took independently. Like I think Foster discussed with me also. Nothing to do with the YMCA. Independently because they know the people. So they said better to have
that is different issue. That is different.
TS, you understood it wrongly.
Independently, so many people are helping so many people. So that is different issue. And this is what I am reacting is. This is because the YMCA employees.
You understood it wrongly. You understood it wrongly. You understood it wrongly.
So the YMCA is not in the picture here at all. This is known people who are known by the wise men. If the wise men wants to put their hands in it, because there are Foster Lewis, Bobby, and Alvito also is now in the committee. So they know the people. So I think what they're trying to do is help a known person who is going hungry or struggling, then go to unknown people.
Exactly. That's the whole. That's the touch point. Yes, you've not understood that this is not a YMCA thing. We are not talking about YMCA salaries on the platform.
Can be taken from you can call the individuals and
yes.
That's all.
You don't know. You don't have to come. You don't have to.
TS is getting agitated because there is some other background. Some of us know about.
Definitely.
Okay, no, this is not a salary.
Reason behind it is that. So
okay, that's fine. However, I think the turning point is we know whom we are helping because they've already worked with us and they will be working with us in the future, right? We don't want them to die of starvation. Rather than going to somebody we don't know, like, let's say Khane or Kamatipura or something, we know people who worked with us so many years and we want to retain them. We don't want them to die of starvation. And hence I said we'll bring it up. It's an individual thing. It has nothing to do with YMCA salaries. I'm sorry if I worded it wrongly, but it was not supposed to be worded, or I didn't mean that interpretation.
No problem. No, Alvito.
They have a personal budget, right? It's not a 2 or 3 lakh budget. It's a 5 or 10,000 rupee budget. That's why I said we can bring it up here.
No. The reason we must clarify one thing because there are so many others present in this group. See, there is an issue going on. That's why when you mentioned that's a reason.
Unnecessary.
I think let's stop YMCA matter now. I think we'll forget that.
Okay, I don't know the background to what
Alvito, you're marked in the mail.
Okay, unnecessary people are making problems.
Saying that
creating problems. So it's not a fact also. So
Yeah,
without knowing facts, so they are sending email to other full members and other people.
Yes, I've also seen that mail. I've discussed with
that is
Paul
why TSNI was trying to bring that clarity.
I got it. I got from which background TS is coming.
Foster saying is correct. What Alvito saying is correct.
YMCA will not do injustice to anybody.
I think, please
No, I
excuse
didn't
me,
say
gentlemen, Mr. President.
Yeah.
Mr. President, I think some of the members are not even aware what is the background. So I think let us stop talking about that issue
that's okay.
and
That's
let us
right.
see what wise men we are going to do.
Let's close that.
No, I know, no background because
I hope I made myself very clear.
Yes, Foster, you made it clear. You made it
it's
clear.
not proper to discuss also that background email.
Yeah, this is not a proper platform to discuss it.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
But whatever that individual, what basically what Alvito and Foster are saying, that this is something which is outside the purview of YMCA. That is what now it has been clarified.
This is a personal. I started by saying that Foster this was a personal call to me at a personal level.
If it is personal, that's something different.
It was not a Wiseman thing. It was a personal thing.
And
I suggested we can bring
Alvito
it up.
is a committee member of Ghatkopar branch.
Yes, so he spoke to me from that perspective, and I said we can bring it up because it's like 5 or 10 grand, right? And we know people whom they worked with us and they will work with us in the future. So it's obviously it makes logical sense to help somebody you know rather than somebody you don't know. It makes logical sense, right? You'd help your staff before you help your friend's staff, correct? I mean, we all run companies, right? So we help our staff before we help the other staff.
The committee members themselves came to me, and I mean, I think Alvito was probably not present after the last time we met at Ghatkopar meeting. Maybe you were not there around. So after the meeting, they came personally to me and said, in our individual capacity, if we can help these people, I mean, let us help them, and that's exactly
Go ahead with the other agendas. Come on.
So there's nothing to do with anybody outside
Go ahead with other agendas, please.
Yes. So we got this point. So we'll keep it at the back of our mind and later take it ahead our next committee meeting. So presently,
excuse me, can I just say something?
Secretary wants to say something.
See, this as I understand, Foster says there are 8 people for whom about 30,000 a month is required. Okay, that's my understanding. Am I right, Foster?
That's right.
8 people, 30,000. At the same time, while there's a genuine need, there is some kind of sensitivity to the issue. So therefore, let us in our individual capacity, whoever feels, get in touch with Foster. Meanwhile, our president can look into it and see what further needs to be done. Foster can tell the president what total amount is coming from committee members in personal capacity, and then the president can decide how to take it further. Would that be okay, Foster and President?
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, to the extent that if we face a deficit in at the target that we have set, help from the WISE or any other organization will always be appreciated. There's no doubt about it.
Yeah, that was the whole purpose of bringing this up here.
Sharad, it was purely out of sensitivity that we are extending this help to our very own employees and nothing more. We are not against anybody, or we are not trying to say that somebody's fallen short of their duties. No, it's nothing to do with that. It's a purely spontaneous reaction amongst the committee members. I mean, after the meeting, they came to me, and we are just furthering those, the wishes of all those concerned.
Foster, we appreciate your sincere concern, and we have always appreciated your sincere concern. Whatever way we can support you, at least from my side, and I'm sure others would also say, we'll try to.
We'll do it without giving any background to it. It's just that whosoever,
we don't have to be judgmental.
There
are people who like to be judgmental. We don't have to be judgmental.
No judgmental, no pointing fingers at anybody.
Let us not add any complexities to this whole issue. It's very simple.
That's right.
I mean, it's purely an issue which rests with the committee members of Ghatkopar.
No,
You
that's
know?
fine.
In fact, even the secretary has nothing to do with this. Let me make it very
that's
clear.
fine. That's fine. So
You know,
this
I will
Foster,
take,
before you came in, there was some communication gap. Now it is clarified. Yeah, that is how
So-
members have reacted, including our P, Jason, TS, and because of some background. But now that is clarified. We are on the same page. Whatever best possible individually, whosoever can do it is purely voluntary. Definitely, yeah, it's voluntary and spontaneous. You have said right.
Mr. President, just to put this matter to rest. See, there should be no mention of saying YMCA has not paid.
No, that's right. That is what I've said. That is what
I'm objecting to. It is not YMCA is not paid.
No, that's right. Yeah.
That's not, even you will not. You're a board member. Alvito is a board member. We will not agree to that. No?
No, obviously.
Yeah. So that
no,
is
no.
what,
Why Foster is also there. So that is okay.
Foster is a board
that
member.
Yeah. So we minus
Bobby is there.
that.
Bobby is coming.
Yeah, Bobby is also there. So all are, so that is
No,
minus that.
now
This is
Foster's
this is
explained it
purely
now.
voluntarily,
Yeah.
spontaneously from the depth of your heart. That's all.
Absolutely
You
right.
heartily,
Absolutely right.
when you give it with a sense of giving it. That's it.
Yeah. And the committee
Nothing
members
less,
are
nothing
unanimous
more.
in this aspect. The committee members are all
Right.
unanimous in this aspect.
Fair enough. That's super.
Yes,
That's
yes.
super.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
Leo,
is
you
fine
said
with
something.
individually, whosoever. Yeah. No
Hi, Bobby.
compulsion. Individual. Yeah. Now,
Mr.
welcome,
President.
Bobby.
Hello.
Bobby,
Leo
welcome,
wants to
Bobby.
say
So, before we carry on with the agenda, and because our district governor also will be joining shortly, we congratulate you, Bobby. We have already appointed you along with Foster, Sanjeev Shah, and Harish Bhai Doshi as one of our club service directors. Allotment and allocation of responsibilities will be done later on. Bobby, you got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, please, all of you, give a big round of applause to Bobby.
Thank you.
Yeah. As I have said before, when I was the Bombay YMCA president, he was also one of our able vice presidents and has always been with us for whatever projects we have taken during the entire year. Welcome, Bobby. Into now the president's core team, you will be also added to that team. And next cabinet meeting, you will be there. Thank you very much. Please proceed, Alvito.
Yes, Leo, you were saying something, and then we have to talk. Sharad will start.
Just a last word on that last topic about supporting a few families from Ghatkopar. See, because Wiseman, whenever we do a project, we also like to have it on the report that the Wiseman helped a few families who are, because of COVID, we gave them rations or whatever. So the Wiseman should take the credit, but we, like everybody mentioned and agreed, we don't use the word of YMCA. We say the Wiseman, instead of us directly supporting Foster and giving the money to him, as a Wiseman, if we do it through Wiseman, we get the credit that we supported a few families in Ghatkopar or in the suburbs of Mumbai who were COVID affected or who were life got impacted because of the COVID or the lockdown issues. Because Wiseman also we need projects. So instead of directly sending some money to Foster and his team, if you route it through the Wiseman, where YMCA is not mentioned at all. Now this is, I'm purely saying only for the purpose of taking credit for the Wiseman, because we need it. We need it at the end of the year to show we did a few projects.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
acceptable.
Yes.
That's acceptable.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Sharad, over to you
Let us go
for
ahead now,
announcements.
because our district governor will be joining shortly. Bini will be coordinating with him.
Yeah.
As and when he is likely to join, Billy will be informing us. Yeah. So let us go ahead, Alvito.
Yeah, Sharad, over to you.
Sharad. We can't hear you.
You're muted, Sharad.
We can't hear. Unmute, please.
This is regarding our membership fees. I think we'd have received the notice, and we just request members to, some have paid. We request those who have not been able to pay, as far as possible, if you're able to manage that 15,000 at one go, that would be great. But in view of COVID, in case there are difficulties, we would understand, and you can pay 7,500 now and 7,500 by 31st March. as soon as you can possibly manage it. Basically, yes, that's the basic announcement.
Yes,
Okay.
thank you. Yeah. Next.
And sorry, just one other thing: the balance, the 3,000 for the which was due for COVID relief, and 500 for the water wheel project. Those who haven't paid, just a few, we request you to make that payment also. Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, can you give us specifics, Sharad? I think you can give us specifics, or you wanna do it privately?
Yeah, it may be better. We'll speak individually to people.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Privately, individually.
If at all, we'll wait for 1 or 2 days. Maybe we won't need to follow up. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So the next thing on the agenda is I'm gonna I'll take it off over me, and then Binny will follow for a couple of minutes. I hope DG doesn't join till then. So if you
going to join, then we'll just
we'll pause it.
through the meeting.
Yeah.
We'll pause. Let him complete.
So if you noticed in the installation ceremony, after the welcome was done, we had something called acknowledgement of the presence of PWAFs and HRM and HRCs. Okay.
Yes.
I do not know how many of you understood it. So this next 5 minutes is going to be an educational session of what is to give you a background of how Wiseman works and how they operate internationally, and what are the accolades. Yeah, Binny, hold on. I have to do the poll first. You don't give out the answers. So can you stop your share screening? Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to run a poll. Okay, there are 3 polls. You have to vote. Okay, this is a fun part. Okay, of the meeting. I've been focusing on getting fun into the meetings because we got too serious. So now the next 5 minutes is a fun part. Please read. There is a question you can vote. Okay, just touch it with your finger on the phone.
Any price is there, Alvito?
Yeah, the price for the poll is, I will give you the price on each listing. Okay, so I'm going to launch the first poll. All right, you have to just vote. Okay, the first one is a single choice, and so I'll give you the background. It says, what does PWAF stand for, and what is the minimum contribution to PWAF? Can you all see the poll?
Yeah.
Okay, so does it stand for Prince William and Andrew Fellow, and do you contribute 120 pounds? Does it stand for Paul William Alexander Fellow and you contribute 120 Swiss francs? Or does it stand for Paul William Alexander Fellow and you contribute 120 Indian rupees? Okay, the price is, if you get it right.
I've already submitted.
Yeah, please everybody submit. I can see about 5 answers. I think we are 13. So we should all vote. Please vote, everybody vote. You will get the answer at the end, and the ones who get it correct, I have the data of who's getting it correct. So the prize is that you get to contribute first, okay? You get the privilege of being the first contributor. That's the prize.
Can it be reversed?
No, not reversed. You get the prize of being the first contributor, the privilege of being the first contributor. Okay, just another 10 seconds. Can everybody vote? I've got 9 voters. I hope you are able to vote. 10. Whoever else has not voted, you can vote. All right, I'll stop it.
Some people answered in the chat.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you have
Sarah answered in the chat.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, but there were 2 Paul William Alexander Fellows. We don't know. All right. The correct answer was B, Paul William Alexander Fellow, and the minimum contribution has to be 120 Swiss francs. So you can do it in Indian rupees. So Binny is going to do a presentation on that later. Okay.
So my answer is correct.
Who's the winner?
So there were 6 of us out of 12 that answered correctly. There were 2 who answered. The 2 who answered the first A, and 2 who answered the last C. Yeah, Sharad answered in the chat, but I do not know which one he meant, B or C. But if it was B, you were correct. Okay. Yeah, I'll share. That's the results.
You have to name who has answered correctly.
Oh, that data comes to me after the meeting because of the software, the way it is. But I'm sharing the results of how many people answered correctly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll go to the next poll. The next poll is with regard to the HRM and HRC. Okay, so what is the full form of HRM and HRC? And what is the minimum contribution to become an HRM and HRC? If you notice, there were 2 HRMs in our installation ceremony for those who were acknowledged. So does it mean honor roll member, honor roll club, and the minimum contribution is Swiss francs 1,000? Does it mean human resource manager or human resource club, and the minimum contribution is $1,000 US dollars? Or does it mean honor roll member, honor roll club, and the minimum contribution is 1,000 Indian rupees? Please vote.
Already voted.
Yeah, I've got 5 votes, 6 votes.
I've already voted. Ellen is about to vote.
I think we are 13 of us, so I've got
Ellen,
8,
have you voted?
9. Yeah, please vote, everybody.
I have.
Yeah. I just saw you voting.
Okay, I got Sanjeev in the chat. So 10, 11, 12. Okay, Okay, I think everybody's voted.
Yes.
I'll share the results.
Yeah.
Yeah, the correct answer is A, which is honor roll member, honor roll club, and the minimum contribution is 1,000 Swiss francs. So most of you mentioned that. Just 2 or 3 of you mentioned the others. Binny is going to discuss this in detail, okay? Yeah, but the correct number was A. Okay, there's one last question. And now this is a multiple choice answer, meaning you can choose multiple choices, okay? Yeah, now this, the second is with regard to Paul Alexander Legacy Fund. For those who's wondering who's Paul Alexander, he's the founder of the Wiseman. Okay, so what is the contribution that can be made to the Paul Alexander Legacy Fund? Okay, they have something called a Legacy Fund. So there are different slabs of contribution that you can make. And this is a multiple choice answer, so please vote. You can choose multiple choices or you can choose any one of these. There is also any of the above. If you notice at the end, there's an any of the above choice there.
Voted.
Yeah. Okay.
If we don't get prize, no, then we will sue you, eh?
Yes. If I don't get the prizes, I will sue you because the prize is for you to contribute first. You get the privilege of contributing first. Okay, I'll end it.
All my answers were wrong.
What about the Paul George Legacy Fund?
There was no PGA, or LC or whatever. Okay, I'm sharing the results. So this is a little, we discussed this in the core team, so I hope the core team did it correctly. But actually the answer is any of the above, okay? There are only 4 of you who got that correct. So the legacy fund starts at $30, and these are the different slabs that you can contribute, $100,000 being the highest. You can contribute either $30 and get a recognition, or you can contribute 100,000. This is US dollars, and you can still get a recognition. So the actual answer is any of the above, and that's why it was a multiple choice. So everybody is correct, and the any of the above is the most correct. Yeah. Okay.
Super, Alberto. Super.
Any of the above is itself an answer.
I'm sorry?
Any of the above is itself an answer.
Any of the above is itself an answer. Yes, it's actually the correct answer. Okay, all right, that was it. So this was the fun part, to bring you into Benny's presentation. So Benny's going to present, and then we'll quickly move into that because we need to do our felicitations and get our beer running.
Okay.
Thanks, guys. Yeah.
Okay. Sure. Yes.
I hope you all enjoyed that. Yeah.
You can.
Yes.
No, I will tell them. I will tell them. Sure. I will. Yeah. Thanks.
Alberto, my screen is up?
Yes, it's up.
Yes. So basically, for the Wiseman International, Geneva, from the headquarters, they have a few donation programs which they run, globally. So just to give you a brief of this various heads under which they accept the donations. First thing is Alexander Scholarship Fund, which they call as ASF. Then they have Brotherhood Fund, Environmental Project Fund, RBM Rollback Malaria. It's again a prestigious project along with United Nations and all. Then Time of Fast, which happens every February in the month of February. and youth fund. So basically for this, it's 5 CHF, that is Swiss franc, which comes to around 411 rupees. If you look at today's exchange factor of 82.27 to a Swiss franc. And then you have this donations, which you can make any time. One is endowment fund of 120 equivalent to 9,872. Then they have something called Golden Book Tribute. Minimum starts from 120 Swiss franc. Then PWAF, that is Paul William Alexander Fellow. It's around 9,800. The people who have contributed to PWAF, they get recognized in every meeting across the globe. In any of the meetings you attend for Weizmann International. And they have this double also. Then HRM is their honor roll member, which is 1,000 Swiss franc, which is around 82,000. Like that, HRC club can also contribute on behalf of the members, and the club get recognized in the global conventions and all, as HRC. Then they have a minimum endowment as a friend of Weizmann. So this two. The third is the Paul William Alexander Legacy Fund. Paul William is the founder, and it starts from $30 all the way up to $100,000. And if you take today's exchange, you can see the the conversion in Indian rupees. Then you have centenary coming in 2020. So that's going to happen in Hawaii, and I think Dr. Saab is eagerly waiting for that. And I understand Emerson is also very, enthusiastic about it. The rest of them, they have to now show their enthusiasm, about a trip to Hawaii. I see many others also, smiling.
Yeah. Once I get the $100,000, I will organize it.
Yes. Yeah. So once your KYC is awaited, so first clear the KYC, please.
Leo already been to Hawaii some years ago. Leo had already.
Yeah, legacy. Yeah,
I don't mind going again.
Legacy membership pin is there. That starts from $30, and then you have the centenary pin that starts from $100. Then Golden Star Award, it comes with various other privileges. Founder Legacy, 10,000. Many privileges are there. Say if you see, there are people, 7 Indians, 1 Canadian, 2 South Korean, and 5 other from different nationals. Who have already contributed for the centenary pin. So these are all people who have contributed, and it reflects in their international website also. And Golden Star Award, 2022 USD, Chiang Mai YMCA has contributed. So Bombay YMCA can also, follow Chiang Mai's this thing now. Weizmann Leo is there, so he can
after COVID, after this
past immediate president, international president also contributed. Jennifer Jones in a personal capacity. Then 2 US nationals and 1 Japanese. So and founder legacy, there are 2 Koreans who have donated. So like this, things are opportunities are there. We can contribute on individual basis, and we get recognized. And the best thing is, it has to be paid in Indian rupees in Indian account. Now we don't have to pay, but the forms has to be filled online, and the payment has to be made, in the Indian account, because how Weizmann International works in India, in most of the countries, because our stringent, forex and other regulations, what all contributions are made to Weizmann International, that doesn't go out from the country. It stays in India. There is an account which is, handled by the International Treasurer. It stays in India, and what all projects get approved by the international, team. So those funding goes to whatever is collected in India, that again gets dispersed to the various projects what is happening in that country. Like what we got for our COVID food grain distribution. We got 77,000 odd from in INR, from an Indian account. So what all we contributed, so that gets distributed here locally. That's how the arrangement is. So there are a lot of opportunities are there if somebody wants to contribute, and so these are all listed in the website. So if any of our vicemen, they want to have more information, they can let me know, so I can guide them, where to do, how to do, and all those things, and the account of the Indian account where the money has to be remitted.
Benny, I have an observation.
Hi,
Please.
good evening. Benny Augustine has joined.
Yes. Good evening. Yeah.
Good evening. Because you may be discussing about a lot of budget aspect and so on. I don't want to hear that. That's why.
Okay.
No. Now we have put a pause on that. So welcome, DG.
Thank you very much. Happy to see you all smiling faces, and I hope you had a wonderful day.
Yes.
You are so much important to me, and we were in another meeting. I had to sign off. Again, we have 8 o'clock. I'm sure that you all will be joining. One of the club's installation is here in Bangalore.
Yes.
And that was started in 1999. And always there were some 30-36 people, large club, good standing club, and again, they all played a leadership role at the district level, regional level, area level, and international and so on. Veterans Club, all tall people.
That's at 8 o'clock?
Yeah, that's at 8 o'clock. Good. I'm happy that you have invited. I'm happy to join you all. Thank you very much. And I just want to share with you that Sharath has organized a trainer for us for the regional council. Thank you very much, Viceman Sharath. And I had a chat with Jayakumar. Jayakumar's profile, maybe I'm not in your team. Maybe Sharath can share with all of you.
I'll share it on the group.
Yeah, thank you. Over to you. How may I help you? And I would like to hear from you. Anything more I can. We will spend 10 minutes and I will sign off.
Yeah. Now this South Indian Regional Council meeting on 29th.
Yeah.
Mr. Benny, has the timing been finalized? 10.
Yeah, we can start at 10:30. No problem.
Oh yes. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Now, what role you would be giving to us?
One of you. I mean, you could give a welcome speech.
Yes.
Yeah.
So then we'll take a welcome speech.
If you ask me frankly, okay, let me take a step back. If you ask me frankly, I never ask them what they are going to do or what we are going to do. I will come back to you on that. There are only 2 roles available or 3 roles available.
Yes.
One is introduction of the trainer, welcome speech, introduction of the trainer, and vote of thanks. So I'm sure that introduction will go to Sharath.
Yes. That's what I was
suggesting. He's the person who has an emotional connect with him. Of course, I spoke with him, but still I prefer. Then welcome or vote of thanks. One of these, Advocate Rui.
Yes, I would prefer welcome.
Good. I'll look for that option.
Yes. And only we'll have to later on, of course, we'll coordinate whom to welcome, whom to mention.
Yeah. That I'll help you.
Yeah. You are very meticulous. So I have no problem. Yeah. And as far as this partner clubs and brother clubs are concerned, maybe on next occasion we'll have a word with you.
We will have a joint meeting.
The training, we heard the lady trainer who spoke.
Will do.
Yes.
Mr. President, I have a question to the DG, please.
Yes.
See, just before you came in, we were discussing the various contributions we can give Weissman International. But as far as I am aware, only 2 of these, that's PWAF and honor roll member, gets recognized. Is that correct?
Yeah, that is get recognized all through in the meetings, and so on. So otherwise, other things are recognition comes from on yearly basis.
Okay. But basically, if I'm a PWAF and I'm attending a meeting, I'm recognized.
Yes, you're right. That is only for these 2. And one more addition is there, double PWAF. There is another one.
There's a double
so
PWAF,
these 3.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, but just please see the point that Alvitos put at the top of the agenda, and not to let our left hand know what our right hand is doing.
Yes, yes.
Unless it's going to help Wiseman as an organization.
That's our agenda. I mean, that's our
Yeah,
listing.
I would suggest this way. For the sake of marketing, I don't shy with you to market. But at the same time, if you do some good project, if you tell others, yes, we have done some good project, it is a motivation for others.
Yeah.
Mumbai Club has helped somebody on that context, and immediately they will think we also would like to do something, or we can also partake with them, or a sort of what do I say? It is not to demean the recipient, or it is not to humiliate the recipient, or we are going to give a fee for a small child, and we bring them and take a photograph and publish that, and not that. But at the same time, if you are doing something good, it is always nice to tell others that yes, we have completed a project for that particular group of people on something and so on. So it is a motivating factor for others. Look at from that angle.
Yeah.
When you do certain things, it is not for marketing for yourself. It is marketing for others to join hands, or others to do something more.
Yeah.
Basically to help the cause.
Yeah. But DG, see, in Rotary, they have the Paul Harris Fellow.
Yeah.
So the title comes in. Round Table also, we have the Louis Marchesi. I'm a Louis Marchesi Fellow. So
Okay.
that comes as a title. So here it's not that way. PWAF.
This is also PWAF.
Oh, it comes
or
in.
double PWAF.
Okay.
Also, there is a pin like Rotary. Rotary.
Yes, yes. Yeah, those pins we have. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, both pins are different. PWAF as well as HR.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and lastly, there is a question I want to raise, and also we want information on this. In the sense, at the leadership program which we attended last Sunday, Mr. Edward, Wiseman Edward, made a mention, or you, I think, later on, or Dr. Samuel, I can recollect, that there is a kit for members, because supposing we want to sell this idea of wisdom to outsiders, then what are the incentives? Like during that leadership training, we were told that one of the biggest incentives is to be even trained as a leader. You know, that leadership training leadership training itself is part of the wisdom movement, which you get for free. That is one. Number two, when we are going to invite other members, since you have very strongly, now encouraged us to prepare ourselves to making Bombay into an independent district.
Yep.
So when when we are going to invite the members, some incentive, like what it is that they should join this movement, and what is the what you call what is the point, unique selling point, USP.
Kind of a flyer as well as.
That's right, because some kit or something was shared there, which I do not know. What exactly it is. If that could come to us, Sharad, you are around.
Yeah, I'm here. Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, we will organize that. It is not done yet. To be very precise with you. Every information is in the website, but don't hold on to that. That is good information. Somebody likes, they can read. But we are in the context of preparing a kit.
Yeah. Basically, like you are from HR, so you will know what is the USP to get the new members. In short,
definitely.
USP. Wiseman USP.
Exactly. And second thing is that if you identify a group of people, definitely we will come and speak with them and orient them. We will tell them what is what and so on. Right. And this kit also will be prepared.
That's what, that would be very helpful.
But a write-up of all Wiseman, what it is and all related things. And
that's right.
Yeah.
Like the other day, that leadership training incentive was excellent.
Yeah.
Edward said you get free
because
leadership training.
The context is that this is the context is that it is there on the website as well as things are going on, but usually people won't join. They take it a bit easy. And we did a lot of marketing for the one which had happened last Sunday. But only 47 people were there.
That is what.
Yeah, I am okay with that 47. I'm sure that all 47 has benefited something because many
Yes,
people
yes.
wrote me back saying that it was great and they learned a lot. And
Yeah.
second thing about brother clubs, and
Right.
it was super idea. It was a great learning for me too, if you ask
Right.
me. But
Yeah.
very few people joined. I mean, every moment it is like that. I'm sure that whether it is Lions, I'm in Rotary also, but everywhere it is like that. But we need to motivate and we need to bring them up to speed. Yeah.
But DG, is the recorded speech on the website?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
But would somebody be having the recording?
Of the one which last Sunday?
Yes, David Ong.
No, it is not. No, it is not recorded. It's not recorded.
It wasn't recorded. It was an excellent. I mean, one of the best trainings I've attended.
Thank you. No, it was not recorded because we are doing.
We referred to everything. Stephen Covey, then 5 signs of language
Leadership.
of love. Yeah, all that. Now, before you sign off, Niji, we want you to wish on behalf of Bangalore District our Jason Samuel many happy returns of the day today.
Oh, lovely! Many happy returns of the day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
God,
Can we do this now?
God
Can we do
bless
this
you
now,
abundantly,
Jason?
Jason Samuel, and wish you many more years.
As you know, he's our P. He's our P for next year.
Yeah, and let us celebrate wisdom, all of us together.
Ah, that's what I started my welcome address with that. Celebrate life with wisdom. That has been your catch theme everywhere.
Celebrate wisdom, celebrate life. And
That's right.
We all see. I'm sure that when we interact or you interact there, you get a positive vibe. That is part of the life, right? So naturally, we should have many more.
Yes, absolutely.
Then I will sign off and I will meet you all
for the installation.
Yeah,
Thank you so
I'll
much,
meet you
DG.
all.
Appreciate.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
You are important. You are important to us. I told them that meeting is going on. I'll take an update from you, and I would like to get on to this meeting. That's why I just came. Thank you so much.
We also thank you.
Wish you a wonderful evening. God bless you all.
Thank you.
So much. Same to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
And many more happy returns of the day, Jason Samuel.
Thank you, DG. Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay. So let's go to the birthday celebrations. Can we get on to that, Rui?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. So what were we
DG has
supposed to have?
officially wished.
Yeah.
Yes,
So now since we're going to be having virtual, I'm assuming we'll have more regular meetings. So we'll celebrate the birthdays of this month and last month. Now Jacob was last month. He's not on.
That's right.
But this month is obviously today is Jason.
Yeah.
And Dr. LS was on the 2nd, right?
Correct.
So
Why is Sharad opening such a huge notepad? How many more birthdays to come? What is going to not?
Yeah. So we will do that every month. We have the list of who's next.
He has flipped at least 2-3 pages of that notepad. I'm a bit worried.
Okay, so I'm gonna share a birthday video. We can all join with the singing. The sound will be from my computer.
I hope it's not a naughty. Hope it's not a naughty video.
No, it's a nice video. I've kept it. You can choose videos for kids, so I bought that up. So
for Jason, video for kids.
So Jason and Dr. Ellis, we are not going to stand up because we are singing. We are singing, so we won't stand. But maybe you can stand with your candles or whatever you've got in your hands.
Oh my God, I'm yet to 1 minute. Give me a minute to organize the candle.
Leave it.
It's okay. We can go without the candle.
So I think doctor is ready with the candle.
You can just tell me if you can see my screen and hear my screen.
We can see.
Wait.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Can you hear?
to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
We can all join in the singing, okay, with them.
Yeah.
Bravo. Alvito, you're super.
Okay. Yeah.
So the cake and booze is going to come out soon.
Superb, huh? Superb. Very
Okay.
well done, Alvito.
We,
Okay, now the
we
next.
all have shared our address. We all have shared our address.
Yeah.
So maybe tomorrow it should come.
It is there at the doorstep.
Okay, now the next on the agenda is also an inauguration of our links. Okay, so I had the name wrong on the agenda we shared in the group, but this is Binny's daughter. Her name is Amy,
Excellent.
and remember she's Amy Binny, not the word I put there. So she got her Binny. Is she there with you? Is she there with you?
Vinny? Just
I
unmute
just
yourself.
called her.
Yeah, okay, get her
Oh,
quickly.
there she is.
Okay, there she
Very
is.
good.
So Binny, you give me a background on what she has done and why we're going to play a video for her.
Yeah, you be here. Yeah.
No, I cannot hear.
Amy himself can speak.
Amy can. No, okay, I will give the background and then Amy will give us a talk because
now you can.
Yeah. So Amy scored 94%. What did you score? 92%.
No, yeah.
92.
92 in a
excellent.
CBSE boards.
Very good.
So
Very good, very good.
Congratulations.
So Amy, we got a nice video for you. Please listen carefully. Record it if you have to record. Okay, and then you're gonna give us a speech later on. Okay. Just let me know if you can see my screen and hear it.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, just a minute. Sorry. Just a
Alvito is super.
Yeah, superb.
Okay, here we go. It's a 1-minute video for you, Amy. Okay.
Super.
Okay, so that was for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Alvito, sir.
Okay, so you're gonna have to tell us how did you get 92%, because we are all like 60-70%ers. I don't know who else got 92%.
Yeah.
Can you please tell us how you get 92%? Dinesh has to say something.
Take a deep breath. Huh?
She's trying to figure out how she got. So maybe.
Yeah, okay. I can tell you one thing. If Binny says all the credit comes to him, please don't believe him. Huh?
No. It's not like, I never involved myself. It's all her efforts and her mother's efforts. And everything comes from above. So that's what we believe in. So that's how it's all it's all went. Yeah. So
being a YMCA member also helped, I think.
Yes. Junior member YMCA.
Yeah. So I think she can officially be our first link, right? Link.
Yes,
what is it called?
That would be good.
Yeah.
Officially first link, huh?
First link. Yeah.
Then others can join.
I think we should make this a tradition. I had a long chat with Rui about this, getting the minutes, and if not the minutes, I don't know. I'm not bothered because I live alone. But at least the kids can be recognized. I think we can use this platform to recognize.
Good idea. Very good.
You can see her smiling,
I
and
strongly
accept
this.
Very good.
Because you have to. I work with kids, and these things linger in their minds for a long time. Just a little 2-minute thing. Okay, thank you, Amy, for joining.
Thank you very much. All the best. All the best.
All the best. Yes, all the best.
You know, Mr. President, while we were talking about these links coming in, I had just a suggestion. Why
Yes,
don't we? It's very. See, we need to increase our membership now. So for a start, let's have this. Each one bring one. So at least one person we bring in.
Right. We do that.
We will double.
Yes. True.
So yeah,
Yeah, also, you know, it's also very important. Yeah, we did not have, we don't have a lot of YMCA. We have YMCA guys now, but not a lot of YMCA. We also need to maintain the culture of a wise man, okay? And not bring in the YMCA culture, because that can be, that kind of gets spoiled unless you get the really polished one. Like I discussed a couple of people with Leo, and he was very clear, let's not get them in, because they are hardcore YMCA culture, and they will never be able to adjust to a wise man culture.
On top.
Yeah, so
Just press the top button once.
We have to be very clear about. We have to be very clear about you know, them integrating in the wise man culture.
That's right.
Like how you guys enjoyed the last 5 minutes. They've got to be able to enjoy it. Yeah. Usually, it's not. This is not kind of YMCA culture, anyways. Yeah. Okay. I think we are done with it, and
very good.
We are off to. We are off. Oh, thank you. Yeah, we are off to the. Yeah, I think our next is on the agenda is the vote of thanks, and then we can
excellent.
end.
That our new secretary, Sharad Kanga. Please don't refer to that notepad, Sharad.
Huh?
I have a suggestion, Mr. President.
I've got a 10-page speech.
Yes. 1 minute.
Mr.
Leo.
President,
Yes, Leo.
A quick suggestion before the vote of thanks. As far as possible, next wise man, I think let us aim for a physical meeting. Let us aim for a physical meeting. And if the situation is bad, it can be shifted to a virtual.
Yes.
But let us get mentally prepared for a physical. And even if it is possible with distance, if the situation still persists, that is my suggestion.
Yes. Jason is strongly for it.
Fellowship will be
Jason has been promoting it since last 3 months.
Because we have to
in the midst of COVID, Jason was saying, let us meet.
Boys.
I'm going to provide.
That's what Jason.
If the date is fixed in advance, Dr. LS can plan his trip also.
Yeah, but right now I think for Dr. Ellis it would be.
It's not safe. It's not safe.
Not safe.
December,
His age. No. Later. But we who are around, we can come. Anytime in September.
We can do a hybrid model.
Outside Chennai.
Hybrid, yes. Hybrid.
We can do
that's
hybrid.
Right.
So
those
who can
like we did at the installation, it was hybrid.
Installation.
ESC was there. P was there with you, Leo.
Yeah, preferred physical, but hybrid also.
Yes.
So, we can definitely do a hybrid.
We can do it. Bini, this time you have to come.
I think Leo is missing us at Kolaba, you know. Leo is missing us at Kolaba. That's why he's suggesting it.
Yes.
He misses all the Wiseman. He's too much in without Wiseman for so long.
Wiseman TS will also join. I'll bring him.
Oh, excellent. Good.
You all are welcome to visit even before the next meeting anytime.
Yes.
Most welcome.
Yes. And once all this lockdown, all restrictions are lifted, then we have to go to that pub street where Jason had.
Parcel service is allowed or not.
Sector 50.
All of you,
Sector 50.
yes, then Babu and all of you had organized a beautiful restaurant there.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay, to the vote of thanks.
Okay.
Leo needs to log off. He just messaged. He needs to log off in 5 minutes. So I think we'll call.
Okay, friends, I think we've had a very meaningful meeting. There's been various discussions. We've understood various things. We've taken various meaningful decisions. I would just in a minute encourage, for those of us who don't know, there is a website which I will circulate just now on the group, Wiseman's International website. I'll circulate the link of that on the group, and it gives us a full background of the Wiseman. There's also a very nice background of Wiseman, processes, the publications, and some excellent training material which Rui talked about. And on the publication, I think this is something we can put with us even if we don't have a flyer. The latest publication says on the last page, we are committed to making the world a better place by addressing its most urgent needs. Become a club member. recharge your life with fun, fellowship, and meaningful service. And then the website is over there. So I will circulate the link of the website, and you can go to the publications, and on the last page of the latest publication, this gives a clear picture of the wise man's vision. And we were talking about the culture also, that in a nutshell is conveyed. So even if that is shown to a person, they would know whether they would fit in or be able to fit in, or maybe they need to serve somewhere else. So I'd like to thank everybody for your presence here this evening. Thanks to our president, and especially to Alvito and Binny for the effort they've put in to making this event a meaningful meeting, this club meeting. And once again, a happy birthday to our 3 birthday. Since we've been having fun, I wouldn't say birthday men, I'll say birthday boys. Okay? So let's have a great time till we meet again next. Thank you very much, everybody. Bye.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Yeah. So online fellowship, and we'll log off.
Rui,
Doctor, I think
Rui, I'm just signing off because my family members are trying to reach me continuously.
No problem. Yeah, you already had a call earlier also. That's right.
Thank
you. No. We'll meet, doctor. We'll meet.
Thank
you. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Leo
Yeah. See you, Leo. Yeah. You can log off. Yeah. Maybe we can.
Leo
Anyway, Leo doesn't have beer, so the ones who have the beer, Sharad is still here, but it's okay. He's got his water.
He's going to take us 2 tablespoons.
Okay, yeah.
What about that installation? So everybody said yes to DG. I wanted to tell him about Bible study. Nobody told.